everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this easy vegetable dish of buttered peas and leeks. So I'm going to be using 3 leeks that I'm going to thinly slice. After slicing, I'll give them a good wash and leave them to drain. In a pan, I'll heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 2 tablespoons of butter. Once melted, I'll add all of the leeks. I want them really soft. This will take me about 10 to 15 minutes. Now that the leeks are nice and soft, I'm going to be adding 1 veggie stock cube to 300 millilitres of boiling water. So now I'll turn the heat right up and I'll add 300 grams of frozen garden peas. Once the peas are warmed through, I'll add seasoning to taste. I'm just adding some white pepper as I've got enough salt in there from the stock. And there it is, buttered peas and leeks, so tasty. I enjoy it with steamed basmati rice. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one.